it's your girl Thekatemari, and I'm back with another video. And in this video, I'm going to be doing another challenge. If you haven't seen the first challenge, go ahead and pause this video, go to the most recent video, and then come back to this video to see this challenge. Anyway, so in this challenge, I'm going to be doing the bottle flip challenge. Mind you, I have skills when it comes down to singing, when it comes down to acting, when it comes down to just, cause I'm that girl. Anyway, when it comes down to flipping bottles, I don't know, but we're gonna be using this bottle. I already drank a lot of it, so it's only a little bit of water. So I'm gonna see, actually, I'm gonna arrange them. 1 second. Full, half full, and a little bit filled. Okay, so first we're gonna test out this one with a little bit in there. So, thank you. So let's go. First try. First try. We got first. So we got that first try. So now we're gonna try the half. I'm a little cocky right now because I just got it. Because I just did it on the first try. You know, I'm skilled. I told y'all I have skills. Y'all need to understand. There are some people who do not have skills like me. I am skilled out. I'm the skill queen. Thank you. I am the skill queen. Sign off. So, I'm a bit cocky right now because I can be. Get like me. Anyway. No, but let's try it. It's okay. It may be too much water. It may be too much water. Let's try it again. I am flicking the wrist. Anyhow, we're gonna go with the one that's full, 100%. Now this has to work because it's full. It has to work. It has to make it. It has to land. I'm putting a lot of faith in myself right now. I'm putting a lot of trust in myself right now. If it doesn't make it, I may crash out. But anyway, let's go. Okay. No, for real, let's go. That was so close. Okay. I know y'all seen how close that was. That was so close. Okay, we're gonna try it again. Maybe I do a little double dutch. You see how close it's getting? I was attacked brutally. Okay. You are so close. I'm proud of you. Get it together. Get it together. Thank you. You go one more time. One more time. Thank you. That's the end of this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.